Darling, you coming out anytime soon? This native is restless.
I'm coming.
Surprise! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Laura!
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
A beautiful reunion, a surprise party, a romantic cruise. The man thinks of everything. You should give lessons, Luke.
I may open a school.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, you guys.
I knew they'd get back together. What did you tell them?
I told him the truth, that I'm crazy about you and I want to be with you again.
Thanks for the party. It was really nice. You fooled me, you know. For a minute there, I thought you forgot my birthday.
No, I couldn't. I remember everything about you. The way you look when you're skinny dipping, when you're shivering in the cold. The way you brush your hair from the nape of the neck. The way you dab perfume in that same spot on your collarbone. The way you sing in the shower. The way you snore when you're pregnant. Everything. I remember everything. And my gift to you, my birthday gift, is your cigar band ring. Where is it?
Oh, I left it on the desk.
Let's try it out.
Okay. You know, you knew where we were headed when we got on this ship, and I didn't, and I still don't. I really need a little time. I'm just not ready to make any promises right now.
Okay, that's fair. I'm ready. Let me make a promise. I promise that no matter what happens, whether you accept my proposal or not, you are the one great love of my life. And I promise that you'll always be in my heart. If you'll accept this, there are no obligations entailed. There. That one won't shred. That's built to last, like we are.
Thank you. Oh, Luke. It would be so easy to just be swept away by all of this right now, by Ring and you and...
Well, let's do it. I'll go get the captain. We'll get married immediately.
No, wait a minute. I can't think right now. Not like this. It's not that. It's just that I want this to be more than just a wonderful moment. I want it to last, you know? If we get back together this time, I don't want to lose you again.
You won't. You won't.
Oh, Luke. This is incredible. I know you're not gonna like this, but when the boat comes into port, I think I'm gonna hop off and I'm gonna catch a plane home because I really do need to get back to my life, and I think I need to think this through there. I hope that doesn't disappoint you too much.
I'll get over it. Whatever you need to do.
Wow.
I love you, Laura.
I love you, Luke. Okay, coming back.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're closing the door and we'll be ready to leave as soon as everyone takes their seat. Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
Pardon, madame, is this a seat taken?
No.
That was Italian.
No, was it?
I find traveling in pairs so much more enjoyable, don't you?